Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Omo Merely, back again with another makeup video. So guys, in this video I'm doing a first impression. I'll be using some Mother Africa's new products to create this look. If you're new, thank you very much for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. So let's get right into it. Oh yeah, before we go right into it, in this video there's a surprise at the end of the video. You don't want to miss it. So guys, if you were on my Insta story, you'll have seen I did an unboxing of the products I got. So I'm just going to create a look using all the products I got now and the first product I got from them. I'm just going to mix everything together and create a look with it. But before I start, I'm going to moisturize my face. So I just finished washing. We're moisturizing my face with the Sanyong. Primer. I'm using the Milk Hydrating Primer to prime my face. So I'll just be using the, now that I'm done with all those ones, I'm going to go right into using the Mother Africa products. The fun part about this product is it has everything. And there's a primer there. Okay, I'm gonna say I'm using it for the full face. They have the eyeshadow, basically everything I need. After priming my face, I'm going to go into their illuminator. I'm going to be going into the Mother Africa Cosmetics Illuminator in Luna. A little goes a long way. I didn't even get to finish using the one pump I did because, like I said earlier, a little goes a long way, and then it dries matte, so you have to make sure you use the I'll be using the Mother Africa foundation in Coffee because I'm not sure it's my shade. I might have to mix it with another foundation, but let's check it out. It's not my shade, so I'll be going into another foundation. So after applying the foundation, I'm going to be using my contour. For contour today, I'll be using the Ezekiel foundation in Kako because it's a dark shade, so why not? I'll be going into my MAC Studio Fix Concealer in NC45. Guys, can you see that glow from within? See that concealer? Can you see? Can you see the concealer? It has like this bright illuminating thing going on, which I really like. But let's talk about the glow from within I am having because of that liquid illuminator. Let's just continue. I'm going into the Mother Africa setting powder. This powder right here, I am obsessed with it, no lies. I use it every time. now that I'm baking my face, I'm going to do my eyeshadow and my brows. To do my brows, I'll be using the Mother Africa pomade in ebony. It's been a while I used brow gel, so let's do this. When I did a swatch of the product, I found out that a little really goes, see, Mother Africa products, a little goes a long way. Very pigmented, like this pomade, you can see it. Now I'm using a flat angled brush. Can you see that? You have no idea how excited I was when I did a swatch of this and I saw that it was this incredible. Guys, see my brows. See my brows. Just outlining, it's already banging like this. Can you see that their products, this thing, when I'm telling you that they do it, when I tell you that they do this thing, so I'm done with my brows, guys. See this product. Wait, I can't remember last time I did my brows like this, but it was inspired by the pomade. You know, it's bringing it. So now I'm done with my brows, so I'll go into my P. Louise base to serve as my eyeshadow base. So now I'll be doing my lashes, but before then I'll be using the Mother Africa mascara to give my lashes volume. Do you notice the difference? Lashes looks fuller now. So I'm going to let that dry, then I'll wear my lashes. So lashes check, everything check, fine girl check. Yeah, so I'm just gonna dust out my face. So I'll be using the Mother Africa loose pigments to highlight my face. This thing is amazing. I'll be using it into my inner tear. I'm using the eyeshadow palette, the rainbow palette, to add blush on my face so it can give a little bit of color to this look. And I'll be highlighting my face using the pressed highlighter, also from them. So guys, can you see the glow from this palette? This palette. I'm using Mother Africa lip gloss in 06 because I want to use like a gloss for this look instead of something so intense. I'll be lining my lips first, obviously. I'm almost done with this look. It remains setting spray. And guess what? Mother Africa also has setting spray. So I'll be going into their hydrating setting spray. It smells really nice. Like, it smells really nice. And I'm just gonna set my face with it. I can drink in this thing all day. So my take on the product, every product I tried today is actually really good. I like the fact that all their products are really pigmented, even though the foundation was not my shade and the concealer was like my color, like my foundation color. Besides that, every other thing worked well. I really like how my face came out. You can see the highlighter and their eyeshadow palette, obviously, and then the brow gel, the lipstick, and the lip gloss. Basically everything went well. And let me just say this now, if you don't have any products from Mother Africa, guess what? Yes, you can get it at a discounted price. You can just tell them I referred you and you will get a discount off your products, any product you want to buy. So guys, this is the final look. So now to the surprise, I'll be doing a giveaway of some Mother Africa's products. Well, not these ones I've used. I'll be selecting a couple of products that I like most and be doing a giveaway for it. I'm picking out 2 winners. Yes, 2. So you don't want to miss out. It's going to be a surprise. What you're going to get is definitely going to be a surprise. And okay, here are the rules. Number 1, you have to like this video. 2, you have to put a comment down below. 3, you have to give me a shout out on Instagram on my video, because I'm going to be putting this video up also on Instagram. And number 4, we need to grow my channel. Send in new subscribers. The amount of subscribers you bring definitely will impact on whether or not you're going to win this giveaway. And like I said earlier, we're picking 2 winners, so you can just be the lucky one. Unless I forget, shout out to my hair plug. I'll be leaving all the products I use in the description box, and my hair plug, she did a wonderful job styling my hair and getting this hair for me. So let's support her business. Black women supporting black women vibes. Go follow her. Thank you. And it's a wrap. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.